What's good, everybody? Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to find new coins before they pop. So, just a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and personally, I don't put much money into this because you don't know what's gonna happen. You know what I mean? So, don't put too much money because you never know what's gonna happen. You better off watching my previous videos. I teach you which coins you should invest in. All right, so this is how you find the coins before they pop, right? You're gonna go to CoinMarketCap. You're gonna go to cryptocurrencies. You're gonna go to recently added. Now, this is the list of the coins that just came out. What you want to do is you want to do research on the communities. You want to check out their roadmap and you want to check out their website. These are the main things that you want to make sure are correctly in place. And also you want to check out the chart. You want to see if it's a pump and dump. You could also do a little bit more too as well. We'll get into that. All right, so let's click on a coin. I'm gonna click on this one. It looks like a scam coin. All right, this one's pumping all the way up. You know what happens after a pump? A dump. All right, right or wrong. Let's click on their website. Alright, let's check out their website. I'm not checking out shit, really, to be honest with you. But this is what you would do. You'll look at their roadmap. You see what they getting into. And then you'll go check out their social media. Let's check out their social media. Alright, you got a little 4,000 subscribers or followers or whatever. But you have no interactions. So this coin most likely will not pop. But you could throw your money in there if you like the project. I got a couple coins where I just threw the money in there because I like the project. You know what I mean? It's all on how you feel. So I checked out the social media. It's pretty bad. We checked out the website. It's pretty bad. We looked at the chart. It looked like it's going up. Okay, whatever. That doesn't mean nothing. You know what I mean? Just because it's going up don't mean in the next couple of seconds it won't drop all the way down. Because it's only about $8,000 worth of volume that's been happening in the past 24 hours. All right. Let's say you like the coin. You go check what market it's on. This is the markets. It's on Radium. I never heard of that ever in my life. Cool. Let's check another coin. All right. Let's check this other coin. All right. We're on Alpha Kong. We're going to check this Alpha Kongs. All right. I'm going to check the chart out. It opened up, it shot up, it went back down, it's going back up. This chart right here looks okay to me. You get me? Due to the fact that we're pretty much down with Bitcoin. This looks alright. It doesn't look like a pump and dump based off of this. Right? Okay, cool. We're gonna check what market it's on. It's on Uniswap. Cool. Alright, bet. I like this. Let's check the website out. Welcome to the Alpha Con Club. Play to earn, NFTs, DeFi. Cool. I like this. You know what I mean? You check out the roadmap, see what they talking about. All right. This is good. You also want to check out the members. Who created this cryptocurrency? What's their reason? Why are they doing this? You gotta put these two and two together. You know what I mean? Let's check out their Instagram. They got 61,000. Oh, they get a good amount of interactions. I would invest possibly into this coin. As you can see, they have a good community. The website's nice. They have a nice little roadmap. They know what they want to do. They're verified on Twitter. The charts is looking all right. It's on Uniswap. Cool. What else can we do? Let's go to the Explorer. Now we could check out the transactions. I'm not going to go too much in detail with this, but we could just check out the transactions, what's going on. All right. I'll make another video on this very soon. But we can see there's people holding. There's transactions going on. It's about 2,000 holders. 29,000 transfers happened already. It's not that much of a supply. This coin might do pretty good. Right? That's my theory. Alright, so what you guys want to do is just go on this page, everybody, and just check out every single one of these coins. What I used to do back in the days, I used to write a paragraph based on every single coin. I had a lot of free time, and just to know about what coins are coming out and what might happen. So that's my video. I hope you guys have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, I know this video might have been a little confusing. If you have any questions, just shoot me a question. I got you.